welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is having a fantastic day. I am so glad that you are here. Welcome to our wonderful channel. If you have not already, please do subscribe. That way you will see all future videos, unboxings, reviews, hauls, all kinds of fun stuff, and make sure to get yourself entered into our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. But today I'm very excited. We do have a new subscription to share with you guys. It is with Simply Earth. They do a lot of essential oils, and I am super excited because I'm not only ready to dive into this cute little package and smell this oil, but I have a code for you guys. And I am so excited that they gave me the chance here to work with them and share this code with you guys because it is really, really awesome. So I will make sure to put a link down below if you want to sign up with Simply Earth. And my code is Southern Mom Free. I will make sure that that is down below. But you guys, how awesome is this? If you use my code, with your first purchase, you get a big bonus box, an essential oil recipe box, and a $20 e-gift card for a future purchase. How awesome is that? I mean, all you have to do is, I'll put the link down, click it, it'll take you there. Put in the code, Southern Mom Free. Get you some, I mean, essential oils are all the rage. So, I mean, it's not like anybody's new to essential oils. So, do, you know, click that code, put in that, my coupon code, and get you that extra stuff. Why not? So, again, I will put the link down below to get you to their site, as well as the code Southern Mom Free, so you can get lots of free goodies with your first purchase. So we're gonna go in here and I am going to smell this. I got peppermint, it is my favorite. Let's see. There we go. Sometimes these little bags like this are difficult to open. I can already smell the peppermint, you guys. Oh. Okay, so it's just Simply Earth peppermint. It's 100% pure essential oils. And on the side here, pure 100% Simply oil, no additives, made simply from earth, pure oils at amazing prices, and 13% of every purchase made, for every purchase made, Simply Earth donates 13% of the profits to organizations to end human trafficking. So that is awesome. So that, you know, you're not only getting your essential oils, it's helping an amazing cause. Okay, so this is just telling you how, you know, it can be used. You can, you know, use it either in a diffuser or, you know, okay, for bug bites, therapeutic properties. It's an analgesic, so, you know, it'll help with pain, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antiseptic. So I will be using it in a diffuser because I absolutely love the smell. But you guys, like I said, I could smell it. So it was in this, slid into that, in that package. And once I opened that package, I could smell it. That is going to smell so good. All right, so just so you know, see, just turn it this way, maybe you can see better. So I cannot wait to get this into my diffuser and give it a go. And like I said, I have the code for you guys. I will make sure to put a link to their website down below. Use the code SouthernMomFree and get you that big bonus box, the essential oil recipe box, and the $20 gift card for a future purchase. I mean, that is amazing. And if you love essential oils, I highly recommend Simply Earth. So, like I said, all that information will be down below. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and please, again, do not forget to enter our 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It does end on the last day of the month. So again, have a fabulous day, and I will talk with you guys soon.